Tell me what you're doing here.
Alright, so we're all members of the HL second stage,
Yeah.
and we formed a Residents Welfare Association.
Okay.
So now we've decided to bring the cleanliness to the streets, and we're
Right.
actually taking charge and cleaning up the streets, cleaning up the footpaths, ensuring that garbage is segregated
Right.
and disposed of in the right manner.
Right.
And what can I say? Change starts from home, and it's up to us to kind of initiate the change and bring up the change we need.
So I see you doing this almost every week now.
Every week, yes.
Right.
Every
So
weekend.
every weekend you guys get together and do this.
Yes.
And everybody is involved here.
Everyone.
Okay, let me just get some more people. Okay. So tell me what is going on here? How did you get all these people on the streets and making this work together?
Yeah, hold on. I'll open my mask. Yeah, thanks to the WhatsApp group.
Right.
So we have created WhatsApp group, and we have the entire HAL second stage residents on that group. And so every Friday we make an announcement to keep our area clean, and we ask them, we invite them to come and join us. So that's how it has started. And in fact, we go to each and every shop telling them not to sell plastic bags. So till now even though, we are trying to keep our area clean, garbage free, plastic free.
Wonderful. And what has been the response from the residents?
It's really good.
Yeah, it's overwhelming response from our HAL second stage residents.
Okay.
And now you see that there's no garbage on the
Other side of the
pavement on the other side. So we wait for the tipper guy to come every day to pick up our garbage. And the segregation is happening very well in our area. So
Wonderful,
there's
wonderful.
full support from our HAL second stage residents.
Everybody is supporting, everybody is helping us. They are taking their responsibilities and carrying it forward. And it is very nice to see working in a sequence like this.
Excellent. What are you doing? What is your name? And so Surya, what are you doing?
Painting.
And are you painting to make your roads cleaner and look more beautiful?
Yes.
Wow. So is this the first week you are doing this?
Yes.
Excellent. So have you got your other friends doing this also? Yes. Wow, fantastic. Thank you.